Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and you read the title, KSI type thumbnail with a template. I'm just gonna walk you guys through it, show you guys what to change and all that. Also you can keep the background if you want. This is based off KSI's thumbnail, so it's just everything in them. Now the background, the only thing you really need to change is the hue and saturation here. You change it to whatever you want, bring the saturation down or some shit. I don't know, you can mess with it all you want, don't really care. Next we have smoke. Yeah, just have it like that. You can move it around if you want, I guess. Like that. Move it around, I don't know. Next thing is KSI. Now if you want to if you're using your own face, or if you're like doing this for a client or some shit, you want to just delete this and this, and then yeah, you just want to just do highlights or whatever, like this. Oh shit, I just do highlights like this and shit. And yeah, that's it. Just go and put that back. Now I have the image here. I'm gonna show you guys how to change this. So basically you want to delete this, want to make a new layer, want to make a clipping mask, and then you want to get a layer, or you want to get a picture. I'm just gonna use this again. Use this picture, put that in the middle, and yeah, it just clips on. It's just an easy way of doing it. Text. The font is Nouveau Mono Pro. Have the effects on here. Drop shadow, drop shadow, drop shadow. And the final thing, the CC, the color correction. I put the exposure to 0.11. The hue and saturation to plus 25, that the brightness to 25. And yeah, that wraps up the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to be doing more templates and shit like that of YouTubers, streamers, content creators in general. So yeah, I'm going to be making speed outs and all that shit. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.